Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Ju Travel. For today's video, I'm doing another reaction. This time I'm going to react the dance practice video static version of BGYO with their new song entitled Gigil. So guys, if you haven't seen my reaction to their performance video of this song Gigil, just check on my channel. I just uploaded that one few days ago. So before I proceed to my reaction, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like buttons, click the notification bell in case I have a new video uploaded so that you'll be notified. So without any delay, let's proceed to this reaction. Hello Aces! So I'm really excited for this one guys because this is their dance practice. So tingnan natin guys yung dance practice video ng BGYO. Ganda rin ang performance video nito eh. ABS-CBN. Gusto ko guys yung movie version, not static. Kasi ito naka-fix lang ba. Woo! Tingnan mo guys. Gaano ka-sexy nila. Woo! Ang ganda ng nila, background lights. Paiba-iba. Grabe, jello. Ate si Nate. Ang galing nila sumayaw guys ha. Ooh, JL. Grabe si Aki oh. Pawis na pawis na. Grabing moves ni Mickey oh. Wow. Sexy yung moves nila ah. Gusto ko nito guys kasi yung nila ba, boses nila iniba-iba. Dala. Grabe, smooth yung galaw ah. Wow guys, ang galing nila ang ganda nila tingnan. Grabe suabe yung moves nila, super sexy. Plus yung mga outfit nila, grabe sumasabay talaga yung sa katawan nila ba. Lalo pa sila nag-wear ng baggy jeans. Ganda nila tingnan plus wow, nagpa-sexy na talaga sila. So ibang-iba din itong nila eh. Iba-iba ding impact nitong Gigil na song compare sa last music video nila yung yung Patintero kasi yung Patintero it's a wholesome vibe pero ito iba-iba na. Nandoon yung yung fierce, yung sexiness, plus yung swag, plus yung suabe na galaw. Grabe. Sexy sila tingnan eh. Grabing improvements nila when it comes to dancing. Gusto ko rin yung blockings nila guys, yung nila, formation, yung dynamics nila as a group. Lahat sila guys may parang naglambitin sa mga jeans nila. Anong tawag niyan? Woo! Grabe. Swabing moves. Gigil. Gusto ko yung blockings nila guys. Tingnan mo yung moves nila, yung distances. Paring equal na equal. Ooh. Cute ni Nate ay. Grabe yung galaw. Wow. Suabing-suabe ah. Grabe ang galaw. Gigil na gigil. Paano kaya yung pagsayaw na ganyan guys? Turuan niyo nga ako. Hindi ako marunong nun. Grabe, ang galing. Wow. So, there you go guys, my reaction to the dance practice video, a static version of BGYO with their new song entitled Giggle. So, I hope you like and enjoy this video. If you have any suggestion or any recommendation for me to react, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Until next time, bye for now!